Hello, guys. Welcome. Today on Monday, August the 15th, 2022. Um, we have here in this additional seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the last one is a binary puzzle. I won't do them all. Only four of them I will solve. The half of them I will solve. It's too much for me to solve them all. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Well, I will do 4 out of 7, and the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku and number. And this will be number 5017. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 4 2s. All right. We have here 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So it's divided, but the 2s are a majority. Can I start with the 2? Well, a 1. I can. Yeah, we see here 2 in this column, a 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see. We have a 3 in this row, the 3 in the second row. From the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1 6 7, 1 6 7, 1 6 7. And look, we have 1 and a 7 in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. All right. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here, 5 in the last row. No 5 in those two boxes, so 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 4 9, 1 4 9, 1 4 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Wait, and the 9 in this last row, the 9 in the row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. How about? I'm scanning. Come on. 8. Yeah. 3. Yeah. The 5 in the last row. The 5 in a row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 5 and 8 in this column. The 5 and 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this last row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then. Let me think. 5, okay. 5, okay. Then 7. I'm scanning. I'm still scanning. We have a pair, I believe. 3 and a 5 in this column. 3 and a 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. Okay. So 49. Okay. 2, 7, 8. Still thinking. We have a 4 in this row, the 4 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be here, because that box is reserved for the 3 and the 5. Yes. 4. Yeah. 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 1 and 4 in the first column. So no 1 and 4 in this box. The 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes As a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Let me think. Okay. 295. No. Okay. Yeah. Still thinking. Yeah. Oh, no. 1. Yeah. 1. And the 6. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Okay. 2 and 7. 2. No. 6 and the 4 and the 9. 8 and the 8. 8. 9. 9. Come on. It's taking too long. Need to fill some numbers. Need an 8 here. 1, 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. No. 2, 7, 8. Come on. The difficult part. This is the difficult part. Come on. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this second column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2. Okay. Cannot continue with the 2 now. What? 6 and 9. How about the number 583? 58. No. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers here are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. And look, here can be a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here we have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in this middle row should be there. Okay. And I've eliminated the 5. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 3 and a 5. So here should be the 5. Okay. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5 and 8. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be an 8. One box left in this middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. 2, 2. Okay, 7. 2, 9 is also missing, and the 8, 8, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these two boxes here, and 8 in this column. No 8 in those two boxes, so one box left for the 8. Should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 9, 9. 2 in this first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 6 in the first row, the 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The 8 in this row, first row, the 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 4. Now we have a 1 here in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square, the 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. It will be a 4 stars puzzle. Is this really a 4 stars? Well, I do not know. We will see. See you then. Bye bye for now.